In this video, we are going to see the breathing exercises and other common exercises that can be effective for relieving the stress. The first breathing exercise is deep belly breathing. For doing this, sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Place one hand on your belly and other hand on your chest. And then take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your belly rise and your chest expand. And then exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your belly fall. Repeat for several rounds. Number 2 is alternate nostril breathing. Sit in a comfortable position. Place your left hand on your left knee and bring your right hand to your nose and close your right nostril with your right thumb, and then inhale through your left nostril for count of 4, followed by close your left nostril with your right index finger and release your right nostril. Exhale through your right nostril for 4 counts, and then inhale through your right nostril for a count of 4, and then close your right nostril with your right thumb and release your left nostril. Exhale through your left nostril for count of 4. Repeat for several rounds. Third breathing exercise is 4-7-8 breathing. For doing this, sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Then take a deep breath in through your nose for count of 4. Then hold your breath for a count of 7. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for count of 8. Repeat several rounds. Then fourth one is box breathing. Sit in a comfortable position and inhale through your nose for count of 4, and then hold your breath for count of 4, and then exhale through your mouth for count of 4, and then hold your breath for count of 4. Repeat for several rounds. The next we are going to see is cardiovascular exercises. This includes activities such as running, cycling or swimming, which can help to reduce the stress by releasing endorphins, that is the natural body mood boosters. Next one is Tai Chi exercise. Tai Chi is a gentle, low impact form of exercise that involves slow, flowing movements and deep breathing. So it has been shown to reduce the stress and anxiety. Another kind of exercise is Pilates. Pilates is a low impact form of exercise that focuses on building core strength and improving flexibility. It can be a great way to reduce stress and tension in the body. Another exercise for reducing stress is dancing. Dancing can be fun and effective way to reduce stress, whether it's taking a dance class or just dancing around your living room. It can help to release tension. Then another kind of reducing stress is walking. Taking a brisk walk outside can be a great way to clear your mind and reduce stress. Try to walk for at least 30 minutes a day if possible. The walking definitely relieves the mental pressure and tension. Remember, the best exercise for stress relief is one that you enjoy and can do consistently. So find something that works for you and make it regular part of your routine. So thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe if you like the content. Thank you.